यही वक्त है उनके बारे में बात करने का जिनके पास हमारी तरह भावनाएं होती है पर उनको वह व्यक्त नहीं कर सकते. It is time we raise a voice for those who can't. It is time we talk about animal abuse. In the infamous wet markets which are located in virtually all parts of the world, various animals are sold. These animals are killed while they are fully conscious. Minks, raccoon dogs, foxes, and rabbits are massacred on the fur farms for their invaluable fur. चीनी सरकार और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कार्यकर्ताओं के दबाव के बाद भी 3000 से ज्यादा कुत्ते हर साल यूलन डॉग मीट फेस्टिवल में मारे जाते हैं. Bullfighting involves the bull being provoked, injured with small javelins, finally killed and sent to the slaughterhouse.
The animal-human conflict, which can be seen with leopards entering the RA colony in Mumbai, venomous snakes entering villages and homes, and elephants trampling fields. All this has become too common in India. Urban planning and rapid population growth means human encroachment on nature, which is the habitat of these doomed species. जब इन प्राणियों को ही जंगलों में रहने की जगह कम मिलती है, तो वह हमारे शहरों में और खेतों में ही तो आएंगे रहने के लिए. इसमें उनका क्या दोष है? Ever cautious humans set traps such as electric fences for these animals. The image of a pregnant elephant standing in a pool waiting for her impending death after swallowing a pineapple stuffed with firecrackers sparked national outrage.
We know the gravity of the problem and are fortunately working on the solution. Those involved in animal conservation, anti-poaching efforts, and illegal trafficking have been pleading with governments for increased protection of wildlife and punishments for offenders. Recently, in encouraging news, for the first time in 3 years, the total wildlife deaths in a year in the country are less than 100.
Due to constant anti-poaching efforts of the state government and forest officials, the number of rhinos poached in a year came down from 22 in 2016 to only 3 in 2019.
एनिमल क्रूअल्टी और अब्यूज को रोका जा सकता है. इसकी शुरुआत भी हम जैसे लोगों से ही होती है. करना क्या है? Be kind and compassionate to all the animals, especially the stray ones. जिनको घर के कुत्ते या फिर बिल्ली या फिर कौन से भी दूसरे पालतू जानवर जितना प्यार नहीं मिलता, that you see should be stopped immediately.
If you're thinking of having a pet animal, look no further. You can go and simply adopt a pet from a pet shelter instead of going to a pet shop.
Practice what you preach by teaching the next generation by doing it yourself. एक पशु आश्रय के लिए दान करना कम से कम एक इंसान कर ही सकता है.
As is rightly said by the animistic philosopher Chief Seattle, I quote, "Man does not weave this web of life. He is merely a strand of it. Whatever he does to the web, he does to himself." Unquote. We ruthlessly harm, kill, and torture animals for our selfish wants of fur, meat, and leather. पर अब बस और नहीं. उन मासूम प्राणियों को जीने का उतना ही अधिकार है जितना हमें. It is time we stop abusing animals for our greed. It is time we are empathetic towards them. We would like to end by asking you just one question. Can you imagine yourself in the position of the animals slaughtered for our greed?